What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful G580. Now this is a full EV car. It's a full electric car, but take a look at it, guys. It looks absolutely futuristic. At the same time, it resembles a lot of the heritage boxed up version of a Mercedes G-Class. Now let's start off with the front lights. Now the lights are not turned on yet, but we will do that shortly. Take a look at the top turn indicator signals right here. It looks really beautiful, guys. Now I love these lights when they are like this circular design. Looks really nice. You got your Mercedes-Benz logo, which has this feel to it. Some of them are the glass finish, but in this case, for this car, it comes in this sort of layout. The grille is very sleek and blacked out. Not so much of things happening here and there. Easier to clean and maintain. Looks super presentable. Now let's look at the number plate holder. This is how it is, and also there are some finishing textures around the bottom piece of the bumper, together with the camera for the front. Now the side, as you can see, has sensors over here, here, and even over there, and throughout on the other side as well. These are the side part of the bottom piece of the bumper. And then let's move on to the side wheel arch. I love this. Whenever it comes to the design of the G-Class, I like how aggressive it looks because of the way that particular arch looks like. Now, take a look at the tires, guys. These are Falcon tires that they're using. But what about the tire size that we have right here? It's about 275/50 R20. So these are 20-inch wheels, but just take a look at how beautiful it looks. Absolutely stunning. So now let's move on to the side part of the car. See the EQ wording that we have right here. You have some linings over the front, all the way to the side, that leads all the way to the back. Beautiful. Side mirrors are in black matte finish, just as the paint. But just take a look at the design, guys. You got black here, black over here, black at the bottom. The wheels are black. Then you got all these white finishes here and there, together with this black line combined with a little bit of this blue. I love it. I really love it a lot. Now, the door handles. These never before have been keyless, but finally now they are keyless as well. So before we get to the inside, let's take a look at the side steps. Check it out. In case you feel that you need to get in and out much more easier, you can put your foot on it and go right in. But for those of you who are really tall, then it's totally fine. So let's press that and open it up. Take a look at that, guys. This particular thing, I mean, the hook is on the inside, but you can't really see it. Yeah, so looks absolutely beautiful. Check out the door. Now this is a brand new car, so excuse the plastic here, but it'll be removed later when it's ready for delivery. The blue stitching, guys, take a look at it. Beautiful. Really nice. The two-tone texture right here. You got some finishing that looks like carbon fiber. So yes, these are carbon fiber finishing that we have right here. Burmester sound system, my favorite sound system for speakers ever since I used to be with Mercedes-Benz back in the day. I love this sound. Now, I believe to open up the door handles, these will be your handles. Handle to open up the door right here. You got some heated and ventilated cooling seats, unlock, lock, seat adjustment together with your memory seats. Window to wind down, and the door. Squarish design. Now we're going to leave this door open first. We're not going to close it, but take a look at the side plates, Mercedes-Benz plates that we have right here, AMG carpet, and the blue stitching again on the seats, guys. Take a look. This is the edition 1 that only comes with these blue textures here and there in the carbon fiber finish that we have right here. Blue stitching all over the place. Take a look at the center. They also have these blue touches here and there. If you are here right now, you'll be able to see it in person. But yes, this is how beautiful the car looks. Wish you guys were here. But the one most important beautiful thing about this is that there is this so-called badging that is on the car. Now, in order for a G-Class to get this particular badge, they have to go through some sort of test on a mountain in Austria. So this particular unit and all the other fellow brothers of this exact unit has gone through that particular test. Therefore, it deserves that beautiful badge. Let's take a closer look once again. That's the name of it, Mercedes-Benz. I'm not sure how you say this name, and it says proved. So therefore, it can take up a lot of tough challenges with the way this thing looks. So I'm going to hop in just to get a seat of how this car actually feels and looks with me sitting in it. So take a look, guys. This is me without adjusting the seats at all, and handle just in case the G-Class were to go up or down. This is where I used to hold it. But speakers that we have down here, beautiful screen from left to right. You get your all sorts of settings that you can choose from here, your off-road cockpit if you wish to. And also, yes, this particular unit can actually make a 360-degree turn. That's stunning itself. Let's push this to see what's on the inside. You got some charging places right there, cup holder right here, touchpad located right here, and also other storage that you have right there. Now, we will get to that seat in a while more, but yes, your glove compartment with some stuff. Let's close that. So let's get down from here, and let's open up the rear space. Wow, looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Take a look at the screens that we have for the rear passenger. It's also touchscreen, so those who wish to control stuff, they can. The space that we have down here is absolutely amazing. You got this lighting that we have for the side door seals. Take a look at the door again. Window adjustments, you got some ventilated seats. You have your door handles right here, Burmester sound system, carbon fiber again, blue stitching all over the place, guys. Beautiful. Now, the rear seats, you can actually fold them down if you wish to, but check that out, guys. You got a glass roof right on top there for you to open up just in case it's a sunroof for people to take a look at, but beautiful. Agreed. Okay, so I'm gonna try and just hop in for a while just to get a seat of how the feel is like being in this beautiful car. Take a look, guys. That's how the driver and also the passenger side will be experiencing that beautiful journey, guys. Beautiful. Sound system up there as well, the Burmester sound system. Center aircon controls, charging ports that you have available. And this is me sitting down right here comfortably without adjusting the front seat. So I have a lot more space and I can really feel like I'm high on top. So beautiful. Let's move to the center just to get a feel of how it actually sits. Now I'm not going to be going down that door because I'd rather go down over here since it's already open. But it's beautiful, guys, just being here. Now, let's take a seat back down. And we are back here. So let's move down to the side right here. So this is the G580, guys. It's beautiful. So we have this particular container that we have your charging cables that you can actually keep in, or some sort of other container, because there's no longer a tire that you can keep at the back there. But take a look at the rear aggressive looking bumper that we have. Really beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So let's open that. Let's take a look. It is beautiful. Stunning. Stunningly beautiful, guys. The amount of space and storage this car has, once the seats folds down, you actually have a lot of room where you can keep a lot of stuff happening right here. Beautiful. Now we're going to leave that open and check out the rear tires that we have, the wheels. They look absolutely big and huge. Again, they are 20-inch, but the tire size could be a little bit different. So 275/50 R20, that's the wheel size for the rear. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at the driver's side. Door handles, a lot of adjustments for the windows right here. Seats, heated cooling, Burmester sound system. Opening up the door handle, carbon fiber finish. Amazing. Sport pedals that we have down here. You get your amazing seats again. And also the steering wheel, guys. Take a look. Air vents, beautiful display. Let's take a seat right in just to get a feel of it. Beautiful, guys. Take a look. Amazing. So your negative shifters, your positive shifters, the gear, and also your wiper together with your sprinklers right there as well. Light adjustment will be down here, and that's how beautiful it looks. So yeah, sitting right here in the driver's seat. So it looks absolutely sporty and nice, guys. So yeah, let's get down. So once again, guys, if you'd like to find out more about Mercedes cars and all the other models, do head down to Hub Seng Star Kuala Lumpur, where you can meet up with Chong. So Chong will be more than happy to assist you in purchasing your brand new Mercedes G580 or any other models that you choose to have. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.